Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 5th, we are going with revision now from chapter number 1, exercise 1. In this unit, we have learned about the writing the numbers in international number system, how we would write these number systems. First, the last three numbers are at their unit places. The next three numbers are the thousand places. And the next three are the millions, and the next three are the billion. In units, there are three things. There are units, tens and hundreds. In thousands, there are also three things. There are 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. In millions, there are again three things. There are millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. In billions, there are also three things. They are billions, 10 billions and 100 billions. Means units, thousand, millions and billions all have unit and hundreds, unit and hundreds, unit and hundreds and unit and hundreds. That is 1,000, only 1,000. This is 10,000 and that is 100,000. That is million, 10 million and 100 million. Here the three things will first will billion, 10 billions and 100 billions. So the thing that you have to do for your revision, in the international system 1 million is 1 million. Where is 1 million? This is 1 million. So this is in unit places. 1 million is how many digit number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In the international system 1 million is 7 digit number. In the same way, you have to complete your objective very carefully. For example, you have to complete the sequence over here. There is 35 million 30,186, 35 million 30,286. The next term would be 35 million 30,286. There was a jump of 100 rupees, so that will be 386. You can say the next one is at 4th place. So the place value of 9 in the number is, what's the place value of 9? Here is 9. So what's the place value of it? These three digits are of units. The next ones are thousands. The next ones are millions. So in millions they are million, 10 million and 100 millions. So 9 is 900 million. Clear? In the same way, you can complete three questions very carefully. Now come for the questions. Which of the given number matches with the expanded form? You can solve them very carefully. Now come for the question number 7. Question number 6 first. Write the numbers in figures giving the spaces correctly. As you know that in international number system, you have to start from this first space after these three digits, then these three digits, then the next three, and 2 will remain single. Here proper spacing according to international system, last three digits, then the next three, then the next three digits. For the other question, last three digits, next three and the remaining. Now write the following numbers in words. You have to write the following numbers in words. These are the units, these are the thousand, these are the millions. There is a unit million. You can say 4 million only. So these three are the units, thousand and millions. So there are 76,500,000 only. So in this question part, these three are the units, these are the thousands, these are the millions. So in million, there are 185 million. At 1,000 places, 620,000. Now you have to write the numbers in figure. 2 billion. First of all, you can make the chart of billion. You can write it as billion. Then 3 million, 3 digits for thousands, and 3 for units. If there are 2 billion, it means billion places 2 is at unit places. 2 billion and 500,000. On million places there is no digit, so you will write zeros over there. And 500,000, for 500,000 in thousands 5 is at hundreds place, so you will write it over there. And no units, so where there is no amount, so that will be written as 0. Now you have to write the place value of the ringed digit. What's the value of ringed digit? These three are the units, these three are the thousands, and these are the millions. So in thousand, this 7 is at unit 10 and 100. This 7 is at 10th places, so 7 is at 70,000. In the same way, you can see in the last part, these three are the units, thousands, million, and billion. The circle ring digit, the value of ring digit is millions, hundred, units, thousands, and millions. So 5 is as 500 million. So you can write it as 500 million in numbers, or you can also write it in figures. For question number 10, write down the following numbers in expanded form. How to write them in expanded form? First of all, you will write it as, you can write it as 3. How many digits are next to this? 3, 3, 3. Plus 7. Now how many digits are next to this? You can write them as the sum of zeros. Now arrange the following numbers in descending order. 3 numbers are given over here. You have to arrange them in descending order. Here are also 3 numbers. So write the predecessor of the following number. If you are asked to find the predecessor, you have to subtract 1 from them. And if you are asked to find the successor, then you have to add 1 in the amount. Now come for the second exercise. In second exercise, you have to do the multiple choice questions, and then you have to add up the values. The questions of addition over here, and in this question you are also have to do the addition. If you are asked to write the number which is more, if you are asked to find the more, 5,000 more than this, so you have to add up these two quantities. And if you are asked to find the less in these parts, you have to do the subtraction. And if you are asked to find the less, then you have to subtract the amount 9,000, 90,000 less than this. So you have to subtract these amounts. Now solve the sum using international system. You have to find the difference of greatest 8-digit number and the greatest 5-digit number. You have to find the difference of greatest, what are the greatest 8-digit numbers, and you have to subtract them from the greatest 5-digit number. In the same way, you are able to fulfill the given chart. Now come for the third exercise of first chapter. You have to multiply the following numbers by 10. Remember one thing, if you are multiplying with that power of tens, so your numbers will move to the left side and the 0 will be written at the unit places. Any zeros, if you are multiplying with 10, so 1 0 will be written